Welcome back, everyone. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today is the 4th of the new year. In this video, we're going to be talking about Atom again. I'll be giving you guys my 2 cents about what I'm currently seeing unfold in the charts for Atom, as well as where I think things are going to be going in the short to near future for the entire Cosmos ecosystem. I'll be real with you guys. I actually wanted to make a video today talking to you guys about some other things that are happening in the Cosmos ecosystem, but look at Atom's chart. It's staring me dead in the face, demanding some attention. So I have to make a video letting you guys know what I'm seeing right now within these charts. And like I said, where I think it's going to be going in the short to near future. So let's go ahead and just jump on into things. But before I do, if you guys would help me out, in fact, you know what? Help the entire Cosmos ecosystem out. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, because not only are you helping me get more exposure when you do subscribe to my channel, but like I said, you're actually helping the entire Cosmos ecosystem get exposure, because the more people that see these videos, the more likely people are going to be getting into what's happening with Atom, with what's happening with the entire Cosmos ecosystem. So again, guys, do me a favor, do yourself a favor, do everybody a favor. If you're a cosmonaut, subscribe to this channel, like the video. I'll also have you know that when you do subscribe, not only are you being a great supportive person for both me and the Cosmos ecosystem, but you could possibly win yourself a 50-inch flat screen TV and or an MSI 2060 GPU once we hit 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So do me a favor, do yourself a favor, do everybody a favor. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, oops, there's my miners going off. Let's go ahead and jump on into what's currently happening in the charts for Atom. Just for reference, we're on the 1 hour time frame, and as always, I'm still using Market Cipher as my primary oscillator and indicator tool of choice. Now, check it out, guys. I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but I did tell you guys that right around here on the charts, in fact, we weren't even looking at Market Cipher A. We were looking at Market Cipher B, which houses the RSIs and the momentum waves. And based on Market Cipher B, I told you guys between December 21st and Christmas that looked like we were fighting for a bottom position for the Atom chart. And I told you guys it might have been a good idea to start DCAing. It wasn't financial advice. It was just me sharing with you guys my thoughts and what I was doing with my portfolio. I was buying that position. I was buying those dips that I didn't get to buy before. I admittingly had higher positions when I entered into like $24, $25. But when it presented $20-ish for me, I started DCAing hard on that position. I had even further DCA positions set even below that, because if we dipped down further, I wanted to get that. But I told you guys, again, not to be patting my own back, that looked like we found a floor. And ever since the 21st, we in fact rose above 100% to where we are right now. In about 20 days, we have come up 114% after me telling you guys that looked like a good place to start DCAing. Now, again, not financial advice. I'm not a mind reader. I'm not a fortune teller. I could have been dead wrong. I'll admit that. Nobody knows what is going to ultimately be happening within the markets. We can only go by charts and the information that's in front of us. And based on what was in front of us, that's where I formulated my opinion. But again, not to keep beating that drum, but I did tell you guys, hopefully you guys were listening. Hopefully you guys were seeing and confirming the same thing that I was seeing on the charts, because of course you got to do your own homework. Just because I'm saying it to you or any other YouTube's telling you something, do your own homework. Confirm what you hear. And hopefully you guys did, and you guys were in on this position. Now, we've seen 114% increase on the Atom price in 20 days. I do think with every pump, there's a dump. That's the way the market goes. I don't want to even say the word dump, but with every pump, there's a retracement. There's always going to be sellers. There's always going to be buyers. I said it in yesterday's video to watch out for that. We have pumped really, really hard. Now, the momentum's with us. I don't necessarily think we're going to be coming down to certain levels, but since that is the case, there's ebbs and flows, right? Like, I'm going to keep saying that to you guys, because you guys have to realize that just because we're back almost up to all-time highs, don't think that this is just going to keep going and going and going. There is going to be a pullback. There is going to be some taking profits to be had, and people are going to do that. That's smart. That's absolutely smart. That's healthy. We need people to sell. That sounds crazy, but we need people to sell in order for us to maintain a healthy trajectory to the upside. So look out for that sell that's going to be coming. If you guys are looking on the 1 hourly time frame, I can just show you guys really easy just by glancing at this where you guys should be watching out for. Now, what I'm going to do here is just take a horizontal ray and show you guys. Last time we were here, This was a while ago too, back in September when we topped out and we just kind of ranged here within that $40 range for the Atom price. We saw some support right around here. It's really easy to see. It's just basically where we bounced off of. We came up, we came down. Again, with every ebb, there's a flow. With every pump, there's a dump. And we did that for some time, bouncing off this price point time and time again before ultimately starting to bleed out. So again, it's right around $32. That's where that line is. Now, I'm not saying it's going to come down to there, but that's a major level of support right now. I do think that we will hold it. And that's also further confirmed by resistance right here on the charts, guys. Let me show you guys again what I'm talking about. So support in the past right here with price action. And then we kind of just went sideways for some time again. And then we broke it, right? When everything else dumped down, we broke it. We tried to rally. And then we had rejections happen on that same trend line, guys. Basically on that same trend line, which is right here. So again, it treated us as resistance. And then we had resistance right here again. So it's really been confirmed time and time again with recent price action or price action in the past, that is a good place to possibly catch some more support if we fall out from grace. So if we come back down, look for $32.50 to be support. That's really easy, basic TA. Now, again, we've been really just flying out of the hole and kind of just leaving everything else in the dust. As a matter of fact, I just got to be honest, guys, the entire Cosmos ecosystem is doing that. Not just Atom, but anything in the Cosmos ecosystem has been doing fairly well. Look at things in Osmosis. You can see JUNO doing really, really well on the charts. Let me actually share with you guys how JUNO's been doing. Guys, check this out. Check this out. Just recently, December 21st, when we found that bottom, $9. It's $13.55 right now. JUNO's a smart contract play in the Cosmos ecosystem. I've made a video. If you guys want to know why I think you guys should definitely get your hands on some JUNO, even right now, definitely do so for the long term. Again, not financial advice, but definitely do so. Go take a look at my JUNO video that I posted. It's so bullish. It is so bullish. You guys would be crazy, in my opinion, not to get yourself some JUNO. Bitsong just dropped their airdrop to a lot of people, guys, in the Cosmos ecosystem, and they're doing phenomenal right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at their chart from January 3rd, which is just yesterday, to where it is right now. Look at that price increase. Look at that price increase, guys. January 3rd, we were down to 37 cents. It's right now 46 cents. In a day, it's doing great. That's in the Cosmos ecosystem. Again, if you guys want to find all of these things, go check out Osmosis. Again, I made another one of those videos telling you guys all about the AMM, or the decentralized exchange in the Cosmos ecosystem, which is Osmosis. I'm telling you, that as well is going to be a top 10, if not a top 5 DEX in the crypto space. I'm telling you, it's going to be. Do your own research, though. I've already made my videos. Go back and watch them if you guys want to know why. Osmosis is killing it. Stargaze killing it. This is nothing but up and to the right on the charts ever since launching on Osmosis. Check it out. It was down to 11 cents. It's up to 24 cents right now. Everything else is dumping in the in the crypto space. But take a look at Cosmos. Take a look at the whole entire Cosmos ecosystem. It's pumping. Osmosis is ripping it. It's ripping people's faces off. It's like a mad monkey just ripping people's faces off. It's like all high on meth and just like ripping people's arms and faces off. Don't ignore what's happening within the Cosmos space. I have no idea. I'm not talking down to any other YouTuber. I have no idea why these bigger YouTube channels, like these much bigger mainstream YouTube channels that cover crypto information and news and developments, why they're not hyper focusing on what's happening right now in the Cosmos space. Again, just take a look. It's staring you right in the face. There's no other top 20 or top 30 coin right now that has just ripped through everything. Let's actually Coin Market Cap. Let's do that. Let's go ahead and take a look at Coin Market Cap real quick, guys. This is the top, let's go to the top 30. So as you can see right here, over the past 7 days, most of them down, right? Especially in the top 10, most of them down. Terra Luna, Cosmos ecosystem play, right, is up right now. But let's go on. Let's go. Just keep going. Cosmos, 50%. Look, the proof is in the pudding. We went all the way to number 24. 24 out of all of them right now ripping people's faces off. Why are other people not covering what's happening in the Cosmos ecosystem is beyond me. I have no idea. Cryptocito's doing it. Big ups to Cryptocito. If you guys don't know that YouTube channel, check him out. One of the main reasons why I myself got into providing Cosmos related content here on YouTube in the States, I think more and more people need to do that. We need more Cosmos content creators pushing the narrative, pushing what's happening in the Cosmos ecosystem forward, guys. We need more support. So again, help me out. Subscribe to this channel, subscribe to Cryptocito, subscribe to Liam, subscribe to DeFi Times. All of those guys have been beating that Cosmos drum for some time now. And take a look at it. The proof is in the pudding. The proof is in the pudding. Again, guys, I'm kind of going off on a tangent, but look at that chart. Look at that chart, $44.67. I think we break all-time highs today. Going back to all-time highs, let's go ahead and talk about what actually just happened for Osmosis, guys. We broke records. We broke records. Now, check out that liquidity, guys. Oh my gosh, everything in the Cosmos ecosystem is doing phenomenally well right now. And is it because all of the future developments that are going to be happening here soon? We have a shared security, we have superfluid staking also, we have Evmos coming out. That's just three. That's just three. There's so much more things happening in the Cosmos space that you guys need to be aware of. Maybe that's why more and more people are realizing what's happening in the Cosmos space and the price is pumping. I think so. I think that's what's happening right now. I think people are waking up, but for whatever reason, the main content creators out there are just not covering it. And I have no idea why. I have no idea why. So again, I'm going to drive this now one more time, just one more time. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Cryptocito, subscribe to DeFi Times, subscribe to Liam. Again, if you guys know any other Cosmos content creators, drop their links down below in the comments. Let me know who else we should also be promoting and following, because we got to support each other as cosmonauts here, guys. We have to share with the world what they're missing out on. We do. We can't keep it a secret anymore, even though I would like to. I'm not going to lie. I would like to. I'd like to keep all the gains for ourselves. But, you know, we have to promote it ourselves. That's what Cosmos is all about. It's all about individuality. It's all about sovereignty. It's all about decentralization. And we need to promote it ourselves. So help us out, guys. What I'm seeing in the charts right now is phenomenal. Let's go back to not ranting and talk about some TA on the charts. To do that, I'm going to stick with the 1 hour and just kind of stick with what I shared with you guys before. This is my big level of support, which was past support, recent resistance before breaking through it. That's $32.60 something cents. Again, I'm looking at previous support that we found, which is right around $34. That's a good level of support. And then, of course, where we found resistance before. So we're going to find that and now see if it holds up as support going forward. So it's going to be splitting the hairs here on this line. But this horizontal line shows me right around $40 is a good level of support. So be mindful of those layers. I do think more and more people are not going to be selling so much Atom because of what's going to be happening here soon in the Cosmos ecosystem. If you guys don't know, by staking Atom, you're not only going to be getting Atom in return, pretty soon you're going to be getting several different assets. Telling you guys, don't sleep on what's happening in Cosmos. But that's what I'm seeing right now. I promise you guys, in my next video, I'm going to be talking about Juno. I'm going to be talking about Bitsong. I'm going to be talking about Evmos. I'm going to be talking about Umi, guys. If you guys like Umi, Umi's so bullish as well. I'm going to be talking about a lot of different airdrops as well. Net of money. I'm going to be, like I just said, with the Bitsong airdrop. I'm going to be talking about a lot of airdrops that recently just happened. Of course, the Rect airdrop that's going to be happening as well. You guys don't want to miss out on that. So do yourself a favor. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on that. Subscribe to those other YouTube Cosmos creators out there. With that being said, be blessed. Peace.